Hey, if you want to perform the factory reset of your Sennheiser Momentum 4, first of all you have to be connected with the Sennheiser application and of course power on your headphones. So you will have this connection status. Next you have to go to the settings in the application, and when you are here you have to scroll down and click on this factory reset button. So click on it once and then we have to click OK, and as you can see the process will take around 20 seconds and it will restore every data of our headphones. So it will go to the default state. Now click OK, and now just wait until this process reach for the 100%. Also you can find this indicator that starts blinking like this. And after the reset, we'll also have to get rid of the Bluetooth connection from the standard Bluetooth settings. As you can see, the reset is complete, so click OK. And now, just open this Bluetooth settings on your phone and click on the Momentum 4 and then tap Unpair. Click Confirm, and as you can see right now, we are successfully disconnected and we perform the complete hard reset of these headphones. Right now, please subscribe to my channel, and that's all. Bye bye.